So, why does God allow growth to happen slowly?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story of Ezra becomes powerful, because rebuilding does not happen instantly, it happens step by step. Let's slow down and look carefully. The people return, they rebuild the temple, but they face delays, fear, and resistance. This might surprise you. Even when God's plan is clear, progress can still feel slow. Most people miss this part. Growth is not just about starting, it is about staying consistent through challenges. Here is the deeper layer. God uses time to shape both actions and the heart.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Ezra shows people rebuilding their lives after a long break. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Rebuilding required patience and persistence. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. They faced obstacles but continued moving forward. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Small steps slowly restored what was broken. 5. This connects directly to real life. Big changes rarely happen all at once. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Consistency builds strength more than speed.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions over time. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic, even when progress feels slow. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them, including patience and persistence. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently, making effort feel easier. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing, turning effort into discipline. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow, because growth builds layer by layer.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often quit when results are not immediate. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic, especially when progress feels slow. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Motivation can drop without visible results. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns, shaping success or frustration. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible, because we expect fast results instead of steady growth.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Second, repetition is what gives them strength, even when progress is not visible. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum, creating long-term change. Then, what once felt slow becomes stable and strong. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening when you feel impatient. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel the frustration without giving up. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big result. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing your pace. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow, because growth loves consistency.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. 4. Adjust without quitting. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Remember, growth takes time, and that is part of the design. God is working even when progress feels slow. Stay consistent, because small steps are building something bigger than you see. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.